my screen for the Acer Aspire VN7 Nitro has kind of crapped out. It has a green tint to it, and the icons and windows have a image burn on that. I took the laptop to a local computer shop, and they said that it was definitely the screen that needed to be replaced, so I ordered a new one from laptopscreens.com, and I will be replacing that now. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this tool set that I got from Walmart for about 20 bucks, and it has this piece right here where we'll be sliding it into this crack right here to try to pop the tabs. You want to be careful not to break the tabs, and do that all the way across. And you are going to want to be careful with the tabs. I broke this bottom piece off as it is kind of flimsy. Just some glue should fix that pretty easily right there. So, as you can see. So the next step is there's 4 screws. One there, not these 3 small ones here. You're going to want to unscrew all of those. Alright, next we're going to be taking this down. And there's some tape right there, as you can see. We want to try to save that tape as well, but it does say do not touch here and on the new screen as well. So I'm going to work on taking that up. Actually, I turned on the computer while doing that. I'll turn that off. Okay, tape is up, and then we have to take that piece off right there. Okay, so now we're going to pull it back and detach that right there. Okay, here's the new screen now, and we're going to be plugging this right back on in there and then putting the tape on down. There we go. Alright, gonna go ahead and place all the pieces back on. One of these tabs is bent forward, so I'm gonna bend it back a bit. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on just to make sure it's working now. I do recommend unplugging the battery before doing that so you don't have to turn on the computer every time that you're trying to push down on that monitor. Next we'll be putting the cover back on. Alright, so before we put the top back on, definitely take this part off right there. And go ahead and use the back to kind of give you some leverage on pushing those tabs back in. Try not to break any. Especially right here. And that's it. Everything looks good now. It's all flush, and all the tabs that weren't broken off are good. And that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Saved me a lot of money doing it myself and ordering the screen.